Hello students, welcome once again to my channel. Now in this section we are going to solve a 3 by 3 matrix. So now let's look at how to go about this. So first of all, before we can solve something like this, what we are going to do is that we are going to multiply the row here, which is what you see over here, times the column that we see over there, right? So it is always the row times the column, the row times the column. So this, the first thing we are going to do is that I'm going to multiply the 2 here by the negative 2 here gives us negative 4. The 1 here by 2 here gives us positive 2. 3 here by 4 here gives us positive 12 in this case. Now we go to the second row, which is this multiplied by the second column. So it is 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. 1 multiplied by 0 gives us 0. 3 multiplied by negative 2 here gives us negative 6. Now we go on to the next one, where we have the whole of this multiplying what we see over here. So we just have 2 multiplied by 1 here gives us 2, and then 1 multiplied by negative 1 gives us negative 1. 3 multiplied by 3 here gives us 9. So we have plus 9, right, in that case. Okay, now we go on to the second row. We multiply by the columns again. So 0 multiplied by negative 2, we have 0 here. Negative 1 multiplied by 2 here, we have 2. We have negative 4 multiplied by 4 here, and then we have positive 16. Remember, negative 1 multiplied by 2 here gives us negative 2. So we'll go on to the second row, column, sorry. 0 multiplied by 3 here gives us 0. Now the negative 1 multiplied by 0 here gives us 0. And then we have 4 here multiplied by negative 2 here gives us negative 8 in this case. We go on to the last column over there. 0 multiplied by 1 here gives us 0. Now we have negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 here gives us positive 1. And then we have 4 here multiplied by 3 gives us 12 in this case. Now let's go into the last one. Now for the last one, we have 5 multiplied by negative 2 here. We have this to be negative 10. 2 multiplied by 2 here gives us positive 2. Positive 1 multiplied by 4 here gives us 4. Now 5 multiplied by 3 here gives us 15. 2 multiplied by 0 here gives us 0. 1 multiplied by negative 2 gives us negative 2. 1 here multiplied by 1 here give us positive 1. 1 for the sorry, we are moving on to the next one. So 5 multiplied by 1 here gives us 5. And then we have 2 multiplied by negative 1 here gives us negative 2. 1 multiplied by 3 here gives us positive 3 in this case. So you can see that we have all of this to be the matrix now. So we are going to add them. So adding them, we have negative 4 plus 2 plus 12 here. Now negative 4 plus 2 gives me negative 2 plus 4 here gives me. So we have this to be equal to, so we have negative 2 plus this gives us 10. Now for this part, we have 0 minus 2 gives us negative 2 plus 16 gives me just positive 14. So let me spread it a bit. So let's spread it a bit. So we have the first one to be 10 here, 14. Now let's look at the last part. So we have negative 10 plus 4 plus 4. So we have negative 10 plus 8, which gives us negative 2. Now over here we have 6 plus 0, which is 6, minus 6 gives us 0. So this one we have 0 plus 0 minus 8 gives us minus 8. 15 plus 0 is 0 minus 2 gives us just 13 in this case. Now for the last part, we have the 2 minus 1 plus 9. So 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 9 here gives us 10. Now we have 0 plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, it gives us 13. 5 minus 2 is just 3 plus 3 gives us 6. So that will be the matrix.